How to disinfect an open well with bleach solution. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll learn how to disinfect an open well using a bleach solution, following guidelines from the Missouri Department of Natural Resources. Introduction. Disinfecting an open well is important to ensure safe and clean drinking water. The recommended method is shock chlorination with a diluted bleach solution. This involves calculating the right bleach dosage, preparing the solution, circulating chlorine throughout the system, allowing sufficient contact time, flushing, and finally testing the water quality. Step 1. Calculate chlorine dosage. The first step is to calculate the amount of bleach needed. Estimate the water volume by multiplying the well's depth by its diameter. Use a standard unscented household bleach solution of 5 to 12.5%. For example, for a dug well, add 1 quart of bleach for every 5 feet of water depth. If you are also treating household plumbing, add extra bleach. Step 2. Prepare the solution and well. Next, mix the bleach with water in a separate container using the recommended dosage. Remove the well cap and carefully pour the diluted bleach into the well. Take care to avoid electrical parts and direct skin contact. If the wellhead is buried, it may need to be uncovered before adding the solution. Step 3. Circulate and distribute chlorine. Now, attach a garden hose to an outdoor faucet and place the other end into the well. Circulate the water for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure thorough mixing. After that, open each faucet in the house, inside and outside, both hot and cold, until you smell chlorine. Then, close the faucets. This step ensures that chlorine reaches the entire plumbing system, including the hot water tank. Step 4. Allow to sit and flush. Once chlorine has circulated, allow the water to sit undisturbed in the well and plumbing for at least 6 to 12 hours. Ideally, let it remain overnight for 12 to 24 hours. After this period, flush the system by running water from an outside faucet until the chlorine odor disappears. Then, flush all indoor faucets as well. Try to limit the amount of chlorinated water that goes into a septic system. Step 5. Test and retest. Finally, test the water to confirm that it is safe to use. Retest after 7 to 10 days, and again after 2 to 4 weeks. This helps ensure that all bacteria have been eliminated and the water remains safe for consumption. Conclusion. In summary, shock chlorination with bleach is a simple and effective way to disinfect wells. By following the proper dosage, circulation, weighting, flushing, and testing procedures, you can ensure safe, clean drinking water for your household. Always remember to test your water multiple times after disinfection for best results.